So I wanted to quickly come on here and show you guys my nail room setup. So this is where I film all of my videos. Look how pretty the nail drill and the nail lamp is on my desk. It does perfectly match the mat that I work on top of. I do have this vinyl mat to try to protect the lavender one from the nail products, but the reflection is really bad, so I'm not really able to use it while I'm filming. It does also match the desk lamp that I use for the main lighting of my videos. This lamp is kind of expensive, but it's definitely worth the investment. If you're looking for some good lighting, definitely invest in that one. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how cute it looks. Everything is so pretty. I love it. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what everything looks like in my nail room. I do want to go ahead and apologize because this video is kind of all over the place. I actually filmed the unboxing of the nail drill and lamp like a month ago. It's been a really hard time trying not to show you guys these products, but I'm so excited to finally start sharing them. So here is the nail drill. This color is so pretty from the box. I'm super excited to open this up and see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and do that. So here is the box after the plastic has been taken off. I will quickly show you the box just in case you want to see what it looks like. It has some really pretty holographic details. I love that with packaging. I love holographic stuff. I think this is so pretty. Here is the back of the box. Feel free to pause if you would like to read it. And the other side of the box. So one thing I really love about Kiarasky's packaging is that the boxes just slide out from the other boxes. And I think that is such a nice type of packaging. So here's what it looks like after you open up the box. Let's go ahead and take this paper out. So we do have a warranty card, which is really nice in case something happens to your drill. Underneath the warranty card, we have the instruction manual, and this just tells you everything about your nail drill and how to take care of it. So as you can see, here's the drill. This is such a pretty lavender color. It pretty much matches everything, the background mat, my shirt. I'm really loving lavender at the moment. Did I break it? So here is the nail drill. I did take a little look just to make sure I understand everything a little bit better before I go ahead and record it. So here's what it looks like. Again, I love the holographic on the sides of this. It is so pretty. So we do have the LCD display, and this tells you the speed of your rotations as well as the battery life. On each side, you do have these little silicone things, and you can take this out. I was a little bit confused about this at first, but this is the area where you plug in the little clear piece, and this just holds your handpiece when you're not using it. Again, this is really nice because you can apply this to either side of the drill. Okay. On the bottom, you do have the area to plug in the cable to charge the nail drill. On the top here, we do have the plug-in for the handpiece, as well as the forward and reverse rotation of the motor. And here we have the on and off switch, as well as the speed control for the nail drill. On the back here, we do have a little clip in case you want to hook it to your belt or other clothing. So that is the base of the nail drill. You also get this little silicone thing, and I was kind of unsure what this was at first, but basically this is a way to stand up your nail drill as you're using it, which I really do like that about this nail drill. Next, we do have this little stand for the handpiece when you're not using it. This nail drill does come with 2 drill bits, and one of them is the mandrel bit, and this is where you place the sanding bands on to file your natural nails and gently file over top of other nail enhancements. This next drill bit is a large barrel fine non-coated diamond top. I feel like this will be really good for smoothing out product after the application. I also want to show you this other really nice feature. The Kiarasky drill bits do have their logo on the bottom portion of the drill bit. It's the small things that really make a brand stand out, and I love these small touches that Kiarasky puts in their products. Another thing I really want to point out is the dust protector. So this is going to prevent you from breaking your e-file. Let me go ahead and show you how to use this. So here's the handpiece for the e-file. It is in the lock position. We do have the retainer drill bit, so this is just something that you want to keep in your handpiece when you're not using it. To change your drill bits, you just switch this to the left. Then you're able to remove the drill bit. While it's in the lock position, you do want to go ahead and slide your drill bit all the way down, then lock it into place. You do want to make sure to keep this dust protector on your drill bits when you're using them. Again, this is going to prevent the handpiece from sucking in the nail dust and ruining your handpiece, which usually is the most expensive part of having an e-file. This dust protector does come off and allow you to use this for any drill bit that you have. I definitely recommend that you use one of these for all of your drill bits. And last but not least, you do get the charger to charge your nail drill. The Kiarasky logo lights up. That is so cute. It does have a little bit of charge, and as you can see here, the F stands for forward rotation, and that just tells you which way the motor is spinning for the handpiece. You can just turn this little knob clockwise and it starts turning on the drill. I do have to say that this e-file is pretty quiet. Here is the back of the box if you want to pause and see what this says. So let's go ahead and open it up. Of course, the first thing we're going to need to do is to open the plastic. So I'm not really able to get a better view of the box with this camera because it's as high as it goes. So we're just going to go ahead and open it like this. Again, it just slides right out. It says, "Let it shine." That is so cute. I love these little sayings in all of the packaging for Kiarasky. It's so pretty. So let's go ahead and take this out. So here's the nail lamp. It is so pretty. It is pretty big. I don't think I have a lamp this big, but it does perfectly match the nail drill. That is so cute. I love having matching things, so I'm super excited to have these. With this lamp, you also get the 1-year warranty, and this just protects your lamp if anything happens to it outside of your control. You also get the user manual. This is a 48-watt lamp, and it does have different types of settings for the curing times. It has 15, 30, 60 seconds, and a 90-second low heat mode. So as you can see, it does have the little metal piece with the finger indents, and this just attaches to the bottom of the nail lamp. It is covered in some plastic to protect the surface. I'm just going to leave that on for right now, but I will eventually take this off. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the actual lamp. I just wanted to pop on here and tell you guys that this is sold as a bundle as well as individually. So if you want to buy just the nail gel, you can, or if you want to buy both of them together, you can do that as well. I also want to mention, I believe this is the exact same model as the pink, white, and blue one, except this was just a different color. I will link these products down below. You can also use my code KCNAILS to save 10% off of your Kiarasky purchase. So on the back here, we have a little LCD display, and this is going to show you how much longer you have for the cure time. You also have the settings for the timer for the cure and also the low heat mode. Here's the on and off switch, and here's the plug-in area for the adapter. Here's what the bottom of the lamp looks like. This is really pretty. I've never seen the bottom of lamps look like this before, and I think it's really pretty. The little bottom piece just slides right into the bottom of the nail lamp. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside this box. I think it's just going to be the wall adapter, but let's see. So this is a two-part plug-in system, so you do have to plug this into the battery pack, and this part goes into the wall, and this part here just plugs into the back of the nail lamp. This is a rechargeable lamp, so once it's charged, you don't have to leave it connected to the wall. They also sell rechargeable battery packs in case you are a nail tech. That way you don't have to wait for your lamp to charge in between clients. I do want to quickly see if it's already charged. Sometimes products like this do come with a little bit of charge on them, so let's see. So it's about half battery, and we have different timer settings. I do like how the buttons feel. They're very soft and they're not like really hard to push. It does have a small clicking noise, which is something I'm still getting used to when it comes to lamps, but it does also have an automatic feature, so let's test that out. I like it. It does also have the glow feature for the Kiarasky logo, as well as the nail drill. I think this is such a nice touch to their products. Let's go ahead and prep for nail removal. I am going to be using the large barrel coarse. This is the purple one. I wanted to try this one because I love coarse grit drill bits. They're really good for removing product very quickly, and I think this is going to be the best option for what I'm looking for. This drill bit did not come with the dust protector, so I just removed it from the other drill bit, and I'm going to go ahead and place it on this one. I'm just going to go ahead and place this drill bit in the handpiece. And now we're ready to remove the nails. Hey, so it's voiceover Kate here. I do have these pop art nails that I'm ready to take off now. I did not use a peel base, so I do have to file these off. If you are interested in how I did these, I will link it in the cards in the description. So to start taking these nails off, I'm just going to take my nippers and I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the rhinestones on the thumbnail. It's a lot easier if you just go ahead and remove them before filing your nails. I just went ahead and turned on my e-file. I'm going to be using a speed of 9,000 RPM. I did actually have the wrong rotation on. If you are filing with your right hand, you want to use the forward rotation on your e-file, and if you are left-handed, you want to use the reverse rotation. That is the correct way to use your e-file, but of course, if you prefer to do it a different way, go ahead and do so. I'm just going to go ahead and remove all of the gel polish and most of the dip powder from my nails. The first thing that I noticed about this e-file is once the drill bit hits your nail, it actually speeds up a tiny bit, and this is going to prevent the drill from stopping as you're filing the nails. I think this is actually a really nice feature of the e-file. It did kind of throw me off a little bit because I'm not used to it, but overall I really liked using this e-file. This drill bit also works really well. It takes off the product super quickly. I love how this e-file is a low vibration e-file, so basically your hand is not vibrating as you're trying to file your nails. If you use an e-file, you will know that after filing like a set of nails, your hand is basically like feeling weird because of all the vibration of the e-file, and I did not experience that at all with the Kiarasky e-file. The actual e-file itself is actually pretty quiet. Of course, doing the actual filing does make it a bit louder, but I'm very impressed with this e-file and I think it's definitely worth the investment. Another thing I love about this e-file is how thin the handpiece is. I don't really like when e-files have a very big handpiece because it gets a little bit difficult to hold after a while. I love the size of this one. It fits in my hand very well. As you guys can see, this gel polish and dip powder manicure came off so quickly and easily. I actually removed this set a lot quicker than I usually do. This is not a full in-depth removal of nails. Again, these are dip powder and I have gel polish for the nail art. I just wanted to show you guys how this e-file works and everything. After filing off basically all of the product, you do want to go ahead and soak your nails in some acetone to fully remove them. I really love this e-file and the nail lamp. They're both really good quality. They're so pretty. I can't stop staring at them. Like, I'm so obsessed with them. I have been using the nail lamp a little bit more than the e-file, and I'm so in love with the lamp. I love how it's rechargeable as well as the e-file, so you don't have to be connected to any walls or be near any outlets. The battery of both of these products last a really long time. I've only had to charge both of them once and I use them like multiple times a week. I think these are such good products. After I filed off all of the product from my nails, I did go ahead and clip them down and then start soaking them in acetone. That is basically this whole video. As I said, this is not like a nail tutorial, it's just me showing these products. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know what you think of these new release products down below in the comments. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not already, don't forget to hit subscribe because I do post weekly videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!